right? So now we are doing guys 1300 rating question. I've done 1200 rating question right in CP. I also do live stream on all the question of 1200 till 1200 800, right? So now we will do 1300 questions. And right, once more will give us so now we are doing this divisible pairs, right? Question can say, right, say Polycarp has two favorite integer x and y. Okay, they can be equal, and he has found an array of length n. Okay, length n, right? And Polycarp consider a pair ij, which is 1 less than equal to I less than j and j less than n. Beautiful. If ai plus aj is divisible by x, okay, ai plus aj is divisible by x and ai minus aj is divisible by y, right? For example, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2 and n is equal to 6. Okay, one second, guys. I'm right, right. So 1 and 5, a1 plus a5 is equal to 1 plus 9 is equal to 10, and 10 is divisible by 5. And ai minus a5, 1 minus 9 minus 8. So minus 8 is not divisible by 2. Okay. And 4, 6, a4 plus a6, 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 is divisible by 5, right? A4, a1, 4 minus 2 is not it is divisible by 2. Okay. Now find the number of beautiful pairs in the array A. Okay. Then we will look to find the number of pairs A. Okay. So we have to do a whiteboard, right? So EI plus AJ 0, right? And AI minus array J 0. Okay. And we rewrite the condition AI like AI divided by Y J, right? Divided by because AI array I and minus A array J is equal to 0. So mod Y, right? And then second one is like array J dot X minus minus A array I, right? Because A array I plus A array J is equal to 0. So mod X, right? So for every element, right, V is equal to array K, right? Because we can compute the pair we can compute the pair like R1 is equal to V percent Y and RV equal to V divided by X. A pair IJ is beautiful. A pair IJ is beautiful if RY I is equal to RYJ, right? And RX I minus mod X, right? So what is the brute force approach if we check? Like all unordered pairs I less than J and test two modular conditions, right? But the time complexity B को n square हो जाएगा उसका. That is not working. ऑप्टिमल अप्रोच देखे तो सिंगल पास सो जाए हैशिंग से. So like approach, optimal approach. So like process process the array once from left to right, right, or current value we compute, right? Ry is equal to v divided by y, right? And Rx is equal to v divided by x. Okay. And need Rx is equal to x minus Rx x, right? So maintain a hash map counting how many previous elements had each Ry and Rx pair, right? Like for current V, the number of beautiful pairs ending at V equals count of previous elements with key like ry need rx, right? This, so add that to the answer and then increment count for ry and rx, right? इसका टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी तो बी को एन हो जाएगा, right? And if we do implementation, so 64 integer single integer, right? Okay. यार 64 इंटीजर में है तो अवॉइड करना पड़ेगा पेयर एस कोस्ट को and is safe since residue, right? So let's do the code, guys. Right, so open the VS code. So फाइल भी कर देते हैं. Right, using namespace std, right, int main, uh, same as with studio false, right? dot I right इंटू टी कर देते हैं if return zero right and then while कर दें while t while t int n हो जाएगा then long x y right and then sin x y right and do vector right and I equal to 0 plus z is equal to 0 I ले लेंगे 0 ही plus right and j क्या है I plus 1 and right and j right so if ai plus a j ले लेंगे divided by x to 0 right so and ai aj 0 right oh, I've done some mistakes I've done some mistake guys now it's good right then like to answer increment right then I have to write um, right have to copy this code submitted folder lines firstly you have to log in my account where is use email right hmm. What is this question number guys what I've done submitted Then that's the revision that I read. But here we go, compilation error 678. Okay, 67622 7 में क्या है? Don't take any mistake, but here while spelling is wrong, right? So let's see, is this now good? Right. I've done such things. I mean, I've done on a half an hour and I want to revise. And how this code is wrong? I don't understand. In the compilation error, guys. See, why is T 13? 6, 7. What is 13? 6. What is 8? Yeah, 6 into T. तो है. Hmm. Sin भी ठीक है. Return 0. While T increment is good. X, Y is. I think that is good, guys. Why the compilation error? It's that means that I've done brute force approach. That's why. Let's see, guys. Still the compilation error. Okay.